Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On this video I have this Peugeot 3008 2018. I'm just going to show you the location of the color code. So if you come here to in this case the driver's side, and you just look down here on this pillar, you will find your color code are these three letters here. So in this case it's ELG. That would be the color code for this car. So yours, obviously, if you have a different color, blue, silver, whatever, it will be a different three letters. And that's pretty much it. So hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.